Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to create a glazed doll skin makeup on Higgsfield AI. And in case you're wondering, this AI allows you to create mind-blowing image effects to your photos, and you can also create mind-blowing video effects. So you can see so many effects created with this particular AI platform. So all you have to do is log into your account on Higgsfield AI, click on the Soul Higgsfield Soul area, then click on the glazed doll skin makeup, and you'll be brought to a page like this where the subject would have a glass or high shine facial feature similar to what is displayed on the screen. So to create something like this, all you have to do is to click on it on the image you like. You can see the prompt used to create the image. You can click on recreate, and to take you to a page where you can actually modify the prompt to suit what you are looking for. Or you can even go ahead to upload a character so that it will just extract the prompt and replace your face with the character that you must have created. So you can also change the section, this quality area here, that allows you to switch between the basic and the high, 1 credit for generation and 2 credits for generation respectively. And then you can also change your aspect ratio here, and then click on generate, and within few seconds you should have your image generated for you. And you can also go ahead to turn it into a video, or add a speech, um add speech to it actually, and then click on download to actually download your image or video to your PC. So if you have any question about this, let me know in the comment section, and please subscribe to the channel as we're actually trying to grow. We'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day, guys.